This is one in a series of videos dedicated to how top salespeople think. They think differently than the average salesperson does. Watch this video, then rethink your thought process. Idea number 4 is they are committed to development. Primarily professional development, but also personal development. Because top salespeople are never satisfied with where they are in life. They always believe that they can be better, that there's a new height to scale. And they don't believe that everything comes from within. Remember, they're humble and they have a growth mindset. And what that means is they're willing to seek resources outside of themselves. They take courses, they read books, they go to conferences. They tap into the minds of their peers, their managers and leaders. And they're always looking for a new idea, a new approach, a new way of doing things that could make them a little bit better. And as I mentioned, it's not just professional development, but it's personal development too. How can they grow in their personal lives? Because oftentimes, when we're more satisfied with our personal life, that carries over to our professional life. When we have great relationships personally, it makes us happier as a salesperson. We feel more confident. We feel more energized. And so what about you? Have you read books lately? Have you taken courses? Have you attended conferences? These are all ways to continue to grow professionally and personally. And when you get into a virtuous cycle like that, you start thinking like top salespeople, and you're always getting to the next level year after year. That's idea number 4.